The American Red Cross is helping sound the alarm all over northern Illinois. The Sound the Alarm campaign to help reduce the number of people that die or are injured in house fires by installing free smoke alarms in homes. Their goal in northern Illinois is to put over 2,000 free smoke alarms in homes this month. Volunteers are also helping residents make safety plans in case of a fire to make sure everyone in the home gets out safely. Workers say both are a necessity to keep loved ones safe in an emergency.
Every day, 7 people die in home fires. And we also know that having a working smoke alarms and a fire escape plan reduces, the death in fires about 50%. So that's why it's so important.
After today's event, the Red Cross installed 237 smoke alarms and made 88 homes safer here in Rockford.